Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super cute rubber band hairstyle. So let's go ahead and jump into this tutorial. Shout out to Isee Hair for sponsoring this video. They sent me over these super cute bundles. They are the Mongolian kinky curly hair. They sent over 3 bundles as well as a frontal. I'm not going to be using the frontal today for this style, but if you guys do want to see it, just let me know down below in the comments and I'll film another tutorial installing the frontal. Maybe we can do like a hair and makeup tutorial for that. So to start off the style, I'm going to be doing my edges first. It's been a while since I've like swooped and styled my edges, so it kind of took me like a while to do this, but as usual, I'm going to be using my 2 favorite products to style my edges. I use the Ebin 24-hour edge tamer and I use the Got To Be Ultra Glue gel, so the gel in the black tube. This one is the clear one, so I feel like it just works better for like doing like this type of style. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and swoop, you know, style my edges and everything like that. If you guys want more of a detailed description about how I do this, I do have a tutorial specifically like on how I do my edges and like I talk through it and everything like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and style my edges, and then once I'm done with that, we're gonna go ahead and move into the actual hairstyle. So I've already parted my hair. I parted it about like maybe a little bit less than halfway through my head, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull all the rest of my hair to the back so it just stays out the way. Then next I'm gonna part that section in half and I'm gonna start working on the little boxes in the front. So I pretty much did a middle part, and for the front I did 4 sections on one side and then another 4 sections on the other side of the middle part, just to make sure everything is even and symmetrical. And I'm gonna be using some super cute colorful rubber bands today. I just got these at my local beauty supply store. I'm gonna make sure to alternate them in a way so that there's no like colors that are the same that are super close to each other. So the front row is done. I'm gonna go ahead and move into the second row of sectioning. And for this part, pretty much what I did was I started sectioning off my like boxes. I added my colored rubber band, and then I took one of the sections from the front and crossed it into like another section in the second row. Hopefully that makes sense. Before I made my little box sections, I also used some edge control. I made sure to add some edge tamer to like those little sections that I was crossing over, so that way they're all smooth and everything. To secure the section that's being crossed, I just used a second rubber band on the back row, and I just made sure to use the same color as the one that was already used. Hopefully this is all making sense, guys. I feel like sometimes I struggle so hard to find words to describe what I'm doing. I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory, right? So I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of what I'm doing. So this is pretty much what it looks like towards the end. Super cute. I'm loving the way it turned out. I went ahead and took all the little sections that we had left over from the rubber bands in the second row, and I just pulled them all together into one little small ponytail. And then I went ahead and pulled all the rest of my hair upwards and secured both the hair in the back as well as that little ponytail that we just made into a normal like bun at the top. I'm then gonna set the style using some wrapping foam. I'm using one from Isee Plus, and I'm just gonna add some to where like I added the rubber bands, and then I'll put my satin scarf on. And while that's setting, I'm gonna go ahead and add the extensions to my ponytail so we can get that super cute curly bun. What I did was I unraveled my bundles and I pretty much just wrapped the wefts around like that little bun that I just had. And I wrapped about like 1.5 bundles, I believe. And it got me like a really full like ponytail. You can definitely leave like the ponytail like out and everything like that. I feel like that would look really cute too. But I feel like for me, I just have like a lot of hair. So if I were just to like leave the ponytail out and like the curls like flowing, you'd probably see like my bun underneath all the hair. So I just went ahead and put the curls into a little messy bun. I also did some extra styling. I pulled some little random strands from the bun just to kind of make it a little bit more messy and like, you know, stylish and everything. And I added a little bit more of that wrapping foam to those little pieces to kind of define the curls some more. And any pieces that were a little too long, I just went in with my razor and trimmed some of it off. And this is pretty much the finished look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to let me know down below in the comments. I'm definitely going to be filming a makeup tutorial for this look as well, so stay tuned for that. But thank you again for watching, guys. I love you, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.